right, so for those of you who don't have access to this parts library, we are going to access, I downloaded all the parts for you. I went into Go Build and I downloaded these parts like kind of one by one for all the ones that you might need. And so we're going to import that into our document. So we're going to go into the OneNote. I'm going to go down to CAD. Maybe there'll be more things in here. Hopefully by the time as we look at this, hopefully I add some more stuff in here. Let's go into here and we're going to go into V2 and we are going to download this file. We're going to save it into downloads. See, I already did this a little bit. We can just save it here, and then we are going to go into our folder, wherever we downloaded it to. We are going to extract this. So this is a zip folder. It is a compressed file. We're going to extract this either by two-finger clicking, go into extract all, or on Mac, I think you double-click and it'll just automatically extract. We do need to have a separate folder where these things have all been unzipped. So we should see a whole bunch of parts in here. V2, you should see all of this stuff in here. These are all the parts I think you need. I hope I got all of them. If we don't, I'll show you how to get some individual pieces if you don't have them. So let's go into here. We are going to go into Plus. We're going to do Import. And we are going to select all of our U-channel pieces, all of our V2 pieces, and we're going to say import into this document. Okay, don't necessarily need that. And you can see over on the right side, basically this thing's just uploading all the different little pieces here. Okay, so I'm going to pause for a second while that uploads. So all my files are imported into here. I have a whole bunch of tabs across the bottom. It's a little annoying for me. Not really a big deal. If this kind of bothers you, because really we only need these two tabs and there's a lot of other stuff kind of taking up room down here. We can go into import, we can create folder if we do that plus, and we can just make a little parts folder and we can drag these in here. Depends how, for me it bothers me a little bit, but just because it kind of gunks up all my stuff here. But if it's not a big deal, you can just leave those down there. We're gonna work in the assembly. Anyways, I'm not going to worry too much about it, but if you want, you could do that. All right, so now at this point, we have all those things in there. We are going to go back to the same basic idea of doing insert, but we're going to choose current document, and we're going to choose assemblies. We don't want to import part studios. We actually want some assemblies in here. Oh, no, I misspoke. It is going to be actually parts, so we're going to import single parts in here. So we're going to grab a part. We can click it. We can hit accept, and then we'll import that part into this, and then we have access to kind of drag it around. And at this point, you're going to have the same stuff that you can do, same basic spot. Actually, let me go back to this, and let's go to get rid of that. Let's go to insert. Did I look at? Oh yeah, let's go to insert. Go into Part Studio. We'll do the same thing as we had in the other group. We're going to choose a 9-hole U channel. We're going to insert, and we'll click right on there. Hit accept. And then we should have our part in there. So that's a good place to stop here. And then we're going to move on to doing some fastening next.